Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about how to make your page yellow by going up to Tools, Customization, Documents, and Backgrounds, and turn your page yellow. And I started thinking about I don't think there's any way to save that as default per se, and even if it was, I wouldn't want it like that all the time. So I thought it'd be cool to make a macro, so I made a macro for it, and I go right here. And I've done something different with this macro I learned from Roy Brewer with engraving concepts. You can actually have it highlight and tells you what it is. Yellow page, Control Shift Y. And I'm going to hit this macro and it turned my whole page yellow. Now what's nice about it, I can just back up. So let's try Control Shift Y. Did the same thing. So that's a pretty cool macro to have, and you can turn it on and off just by backing up. I guess you could actually make it, if you went too far, you could actually make another macro to make it white. And I think that's what I'm going to do in the next video, is show how to make a macro for that. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.